Would you like to run faster without getting tired? Can you imagine achieving your best times without suffering in the process? Today, we'll reveal the secrets to achieve that. Let's discover how to effectively improve your speed and endurance. Are you ready to learn the tricks used by the best runners? Don't move, because this is going to change the way you train forever. Warming up is key to running faster without getting tired. A good warm-up prepares your muscles and reduces the risk of injury. Here we show you how to do it effectively. First, we start with a brisk 5-minute walk. This increases blood flow to your muscles and prepares them for exercise. Then, we move on to dynamic stretches. Dynamic stretches are controlled movements that improve flexibility and activate your muscles. Here are some essential exercises. Knee lifts. Lift one knee to your chest and then the other, alternating continuously. Do this for 30 seconds. But kicks, run in place, bringing your heels towards your glutes. Do this exercise also for 30 seconds. Leg swings. Hold onto a wall or a post and swing one leg forward and backward. Repeat 10 times per leg. Hip rotations. Place your hands on your hips and make large circles with your hips. Do this 10 times in each direction. These exercises activate your main muscle groups and improve your range of motion, preparing you to run faster and without early fatigue. Finally, do some controlled accelerations. Run at a gentle pace for 20 meters and gradually increase the speed to a short sprint. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. This prepares your body for the effort ahead. Following these steps, you will be ready to run more efficiently and with less effort. A good warm-up not only improves your performance, but also allows you to enjoy each run more. Running technique is fundamental to improving your speed and endurance without getting exhausted. Here we show you how to perfect your technique to run more efficiently. First, pay attention to your posture. Keep your back straight and relaxed, with your shoulders back and your chest slightly forward. Good posture improves breathing and reduces muscle effort. Your arms play a crucial role in running. Keep your elbows bent at 90 degrees and swing them naturally and relaxed. Make sure your arms move forward and backward, not side to side. This helps maintain balance and speed. Focus on your stride. A stride that is too long can cause fatigue and increase the risk of injury. Instead of overstriding, focus on shorter, quicker steps. This will allow you to maintain a constant speed without wasting energy. Foot position is also important. Try to land on the midfoot rather than the heel. Landing on the heel breaks your momentum and increases the effort needed to move forward. Landing on the midfoot helps you maintain a quick and efficient cadence. Don't forget about breathing. Maintain a constant and deep breathing rhythm. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, using your diaphragm to maximize oxygen intake. This will help you maintain energy and reduce fatigue. Finally, focus on relaxation. Keep the muscles in your neck and shoulders relaxed. Tension in these muscles can negatively affect your running efficiency. By improving your running technique, you will not only run faster but also enjoy the process more. To run faster without getting exhausted, you need specific workouts that improve your speed and endurance without causing excessive fatigue. Here we present some key routines. Interval training. Intervals are workouts that alternate periods of high intensity with recovery periods. This method is very effective in increasing speed and cardiovascular capacity. Example of interval training. Warm-up, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Intervals, run at your maximum speed for 1 minute, followed by 2 minutes of easy jogging. Repeat this 6 times. Cool down, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Intervals allow you to run faster in short periods, improving your overall speed without causing prolonged exhaustion. Fartlek training. Fartlek, or speed play, is a training that mixes fast and slow running in a less structured way. It is excellent for improving endurance and speed. Example of fartlek training. Warm-up, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Fartlek, for 20 minutes, alternate between running fast for 2 minutes and jogging easy for 3 minutes. Vary the intensity and duration as you feel. Cool down, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Fartlek is flexible and allows you to adapt the training to your energy level, keeping the body in constant adaptation. Hill training. Running hills strengthens your leg muscles and improves cardiovascular endurance, translating to greater speed on flat terrains. Example of hill training. Warm-up, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Hills. Find a hill approximately 100 meters long. Run up at a moderate high speed and then jog down slowly. Repeat 8 times. Cool down, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Endurance training. To maintain a constant speed for a longer time, it is crucial to work on your endurance. Example of endurance training. Warm-up, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Long run. Run at a comfortable pace for 45 to 60 minutes. Maintain a constant pace that allows you to have a conversation. Cool down, 10 minutes of easy jogging. Combination of trainings. To get the best results, combine these workouts throughout the week. For example, do intervals on Tuesdays, fartlek on Thursdays, hills on Saturdays, and a long run on Sundays. This variety ensures that you work on all aspects of your performance without overloading one type of exercise. With these workouts, you will improve your speed and endurance efficiently. The key is consistency and variability in exercises. To run faster and with less fatigue, supplementation and nutrition play a fundamental role. Here are some tips and supplements that can help you improve your performance. Key supplements. 1. Caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that can increase your energy and reduce the perception of effort. Drinking a cup of coffee or taking a caffeine supplement before running can help you improve your speed and endurance. 2. Beta-alanine. This amino acid helps reduce the buildup of lactic acid in the muscles, delaying fatigue. Taking beta-alanine regularly can improve your performance in high-intensity runs. 3. Creatine. Although it is more known in the weightlifting world, creatine can also benefit runners by improving muscle power and recovery. 4. BCAA, branched-chain amino acids. BCAAs help reduce muscle fatigue and improve recovery. Taking BCAAs before and after your workouts can help you stay strong and recover faster. Nutrition for runners. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for performance and recovery. Drink water regularly throughout the day and make sure to hydrate well before, during, and after your runs. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main energy source for runners. Include complex carbohydrates like oats, brown rice, and sweet potatoes in your meals to keep your energy levels high. Proteins. Proteins are essential for muscle repair and growth. Make sure to consume high-quality protein sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes in every meal. Healthy fats. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocado, nuts, and olive oil, are important for overall health and performance. Include them in your diet for lasting energy. Pre-run meals. Before a run, opt for a light meal rich in carbohydrates and low in fats and fiber. An example would be a banana with some peanut butter or toast with jam. Post-run recovery. After running, consume a combination of proteins and carbohydrates to aid muscle recovery. A protein shake with a banana or yogurt with fruits are excellent options. With the right combination of supplementation and nutrition, you can maximize your performance and recovery, allowing you to run faster and with less effort. Remember that every runner is unique, so experiment with these tips and find what works best for you. Now you're ready to take your running to the next level. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your experiences in the comments. See you in the next video.